To get from standard form to vertex form, you have to complete the square. So the basic formula would be x squared plus bx plus c. Then what you would do is you would take your b value and you take that and divide it by 2 and then square that whole quantity. And then you'd have to add it to both sides because what you add to one side you have to add to the other. So your equation would be x squared plus bx plus c plus b over 2 squared equals b over 2 squared. Then what you would do is you would reduce the b squared on this side. So it would just be b squared divided by 4. Then on the left side the bx would cancel out because you'd use that b to get the b over 2 squared. So your equation would just be x squared plus b over 2 equals c, plus c. Then you can combine the x and the b, so it would be parenthesis x plus b over 2 and parenthesis squared plus c equals b squared over 4. And that's in vertex form. X squared plus 6x plus 5. Right? An example would be if you're given the equation x squared plus 6x plus 5. You would take the 6 and divide it by 2 and then square it and add it to both sides. So you'd have x squared plus 6x, or 6 over 2 squared, plus 5 equals 6 over 2 squared. Then you would combine the x squared and the 6 over 2, so it would just be x squared plus 6 over 2, or x over 2 plus 6x squared. So now you would have x plus 6 over 2, and then that quantity would be squared plus 5 equals 6 over 2 squared. Okay. Then you can reduce the 6 over 2 so that it's x plus 3 squared plus 5 equals 3 squared. So then you just distribute the squared to the 3 on the right side. So it would just be x plus 3 squared plus 5 equals 9. And that's your vertex form.